Hi, I'll go through SMO Open year 2025 round 1 question 4. This question we need to find the sum of x1 to x10. This summation can be written as this, which is the sum of many cubes. We know the formula of 1 cube to n cube, which equal to the square of sum 1 to n, equal to n times n plus 1 over 2 square. From here, we can get 1 cube to n cube, which equal to 55 square. This is 3025. 3025 is 1 more than 3024. So from this expression, we can cancel 1 from both sides. We get this sum equal to 3024. Then we can write this sum in this form. Compare these two sums, we can get x1 is 0, x2 is 1, x3 is 1. All the way to x10 is 1. So we can get the sum from x1 to x10 equal to 9. This is a common answer. From this sum, we can get one possible value of this question, which is 9. If we change the first term and the second term, we can write it in this form. This is still 0. So here x1 is 2. x3 to x10 is 1. So we get the sum of x1 to x10 equal to 10. Similarly, if we exchange the first one and the third one, the sum in this form. Here, the third one is 0. x1 is 3, x2 is 1, x3 is 0, x4 to x10 is 1. We get a new sum, which equal to 11. And we can exchange the first one and the fourth one, the first one and the fifth one. So in the last, we can change the first one and the 10th one. The sum in this form. So here, x1 is 10, x2 is 1, all the way to x9 is 1, and x10 is 0. So we get a new sum, which equal to 18. In this method, we can get 10 different possible values. The other way is we know 3024, we can write it as 1000 plus 1000 plus 1024. We know 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. 2 to the power of 10, we can split as 2 to the power of 9 plus 2 to the power of 9. 2 to the power of 9, we can write it as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. Or 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8 cube plus 2 cube times 4 cube. So we can write 3024 in the sum of cubes. We write this sum in order. Compare this sum with this one. We can get x1 is 10, x2 is 4, x8 is 1, x10 is 1. For the others, equal to 0. So we get one possible value of sum x1 to x10, which equal to 16. For this product, we can exchange 2 cubes and 4 cubes. Write the sum in this form. Here, x1 is 10, x4 is 2, x8 is 1, x10 is 1. So we get a new sum, which equal to 14. We also can write 10 cube as 5 cube times 2 cube. So we get a new sum. In this case, x1 equal to 10, x2 equal to 4, x5 equal to 2, x8 equal to 1. For the others, xk equal to 0. So the sum of x1 to x10 equal to 17. We can exchange these two terms, get a new order. x1 is 10, x2 is 5, x4 is 2, x8 is 1. So we get the sum of x1 to x10 is 18. If you know how to code, you may code a program to find all the cases. Here I list some possible cases. For the first case, x1 is 14, x2 is 2, x3 is 2. For the others are 0, which means 1 cube times 14 cube plus 2 cube times 2 cube plus 3 cube times 2 cube equal to 3024. Here the sum of x1 to x10, which equal to 14 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 18. This case, the sum is 4. This is the least value of sum x1 to x10. Here, x4 is 1, x6 is 1, x7 is 2. You can check. This sum is still equal to 3024. The sum of x1 to x10 equal to 4. There are still other possible cases. I only list part of them. You may code a program to find all the possible cases. So for this question, we have multiple answers.